Here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin is up 0.74%, Ethereum up 0.53%, BNB looking really good here, up 2.17%. Even XRP is up almost nearly 2% here. And so the general market overall is looking quite good. Bitcoin hanging out around 26,500. Ethereum is over that 1,700 mark. BNB is getting close to $250. And if we move over here to the Bitcoin trading chart, we can see a continuation inside of this consolidated space, bouncing between a level of $25,400 and that of $26,700-ish dollars. We briefly passed above that earlier today before seeing a pullback. And as I've mentioned in my past videos here, you see this light blue line. That was just a future projection based on the previous trajectory. And it was very vague on where these two different points would meet. These are the green lines up on top, which is the 50 moving average, and the yellow line down on the bottom, which is the 200 moving average. When that green line crosses over the yellow line, then it's what we call a death cross, and it suggests a very bearish pattern. So let's look at the pros and cons here. The con is that the yellow line continues to steep up and the green line continues to steep down, suggesting that they are still on a path of converging together, likely within the month of July. But the good news is that where we are currently at with this green candle, that green line up above it is becoming pretty close. And psychologically, if we can get a price that goes above the 50 moving average, then we could potentially see a stronger run start to take place. So that would be the hope, and hopefully that would also help flatline out in time. That green line and the yellow line itself might start to shift down a little bit too. We can see that yellow line really picked up here, right back around the March 12th marker. So it was pretty flat line, and then boom, just started taking off. Green line even more steep. Let's see if we can try and get this saved in the nick of time. And overall, things are looking quite good at the moment. I'm still worried about how things will progress going into the month of July, though. Moving on to the SafeMoon SWAP partners. SafeMoon is up 1.29%, $15,000 in buy volume versus $27,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon on Polygon is up 4.67%, $250 in buy volume, $161 in sell. SafeMoon on Ethereum also up 0.61%, $185 in buy volume versus $90 in sell volume. Evergrow coin is up 4.6%, 3 transactions total, $207. Blockbuster Tech up 1.6%, $192, $498 on the sell side. It's 2 days in a row of being green there. Beefy is down 0.19%, 2 transactions, both on the selling side, $215 in volume. BNB Mirror Protocol is up 2.53%. You have $1 in buying volume. The other 5 transactions are all for what looks to be about less than a penny. Very, very low there. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol up 2.8%, $82 in buy volume. And then a couple of transactions that are on the sell side for less than a penny. This is not the first time that we've been seeing this with these tokens, and I'm not exactly sure what's going on. To me, it would suggest that there is some sort of testing, but how long have they been doing the testing? If they are doing the testing, if you guys have any other theories on this, let me know. Could even be just people with trading bots that are testing things out on their own end. Croge. No trading since June 6th. Crift. On June 16th, it looks like we've got 1 transaction there, and that is for a $4 purchase, so very low. Glow Token up 2.85%, 3 transactions total, $85, all of them on the sell side. Grove is up 2.72%. You have $2,500 in buy volume versus $2,400 in sell volume. For HOD, it's 5 days of a run-up, up 2.11%, $2,100 in buy volume versus $2,200 in sell volume. Live Crypto Party has one transaction for a sell of $32. Potherium, looking like it's got this strong drop taking place, but just keep in mind there's no trading since June 8th. Revoltance is up 2.04%, $12 in total volume. Pepe up 6.61%, $2,200 in volume on the buy side. JP token is down 1.49%. It is showing as a little bit of a green candle, but keep in mind only $2 in buy volume versus $150 in sell volume. And that's what I got for you guys in today's video on the latest price moves. Let us know what you guys are feeling in the market space right now down in the comments below. And I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you also to my YouTube members for your support. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.